Imagine yourself in this Chrysler 2017 Pacifica Touring L. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are inflatable spare tire kit, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Uconnect free with 5 display, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.